Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn lead list into Airtable from Sales Navigator, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your LinkedIn Sales Navigator and log into your account. Navigate to your saved lead list within Sales Navigator. Select the leads you wish to update into Airtable. Click on the export option available at the top right corner of the list. Choose the appropriate format, usually CSV, for easy import into Airtable. Save the exported file to your computer. Now, open Airtable in a new tab. Create a new base or select an existing base where you want to add the leads. If creating a new base, choose Start from Scratch and name it appropriately. Once inside the base, navigate to the table where you want to import the leads. Click on the View button in the top left corner and select Grid View. Locate the Add Records button, usually found at the bottom of your table. Select Import Data from the drop-down menu. Choose CSV file as your import option. Locate the CSV file you exported from Sales Navigator and select it for upload. Airtable will prompt you to map your columns. Ensure that each column from your CSV aligns with the appropriate field in Airtable. Adjust the settings if necessary, particularly for names, emails, and titles. Once everything is mapped correctly, click on the Import button. Wait for the import process to complete, which may take a few moments depending on the amount of data. Review your Airtable base to ensure all leads were imported accurately. Check for any missing or misaligned data. Make any necessary adjustments to the records within Airtable. Finally, set up any additional filters, views, or automations to best utilize your lead data. Your LinkedIn lead list is now successfully updated in Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.